Hi and welcome back to Adells. Today we'll take our time and walk through a gentle manual pump session together, all in the comfort of home. If you enjoy calm tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin by setting the scene. Find a quiet corner of your home, maybe on the couch, at your desk, or in your bedroom. Make sure the space feels safe and cozy. You might add a soft blanket, light a candle, or simply dim the lights. Before you start, gather everything you'll need. Place your manual pump, a clean container, and some tissues or a cloth within easy reach. Having water or tea nearby can also be comforting, so you don't have to interrupt your flow later. Now, sit in a position where your body feels fully supported. Keep your back resting against a cushion or the back of a chair. Let your feet rest on the floor or a small stool. If you want, slide a pillow under your arm to remove any tension from your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and let it out slowly. This breathing will help your body ease into a calm state. Do this a few times until you feel more centered. When you're ready, hold the pump gently. Start with soft, slow squeezes, steady and rhythmic. There's no need to force the pace. Imagine each movement as a calm wave rolling in and out naturally. If you like, close your eyes for a moment. Focus on the sounds of your home. Maybe the faint ticking of a clock, the hum of an appliance, or just the quiet stillness. Allow these little details to become part of the relaxation process. As you continue, check in with yourself. Are your shoulders relaxed? Is your hand comfortable? If not, pause, stretch your fingers, or switch sides. Even small adjustments can keep you from feeling tired too quickly. To finish, stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, and drink some water. This small routine after each session can help you stay refreshed and relaxed.